Dear friends, good morning. This is Subramani. In this video, I am going to explain now how to make your accounts online. That is without Tally software or whatever. Here I have designed this template. Once you enter debit credit, it will automatically goes to your data. There is no data here. No here ledgers. There is no ledgers. There is no data in trial balance. Now I am going to enter one data in form. Here double click to enter pick date from this calendar, say 28th. Reference number is optional. You can enter or otherwise you can leave it. Here enter the sales by sales account. You have to debit to customer account, right? Customer account. Here 1,05,000. That is 1 lakh sales plus GST 5,000. Okay. And here enter the sales account is 1 lakh. Here CGST is 2,500. Here SGST 2,500. Once you enter this, keep, keep the cursor here or whatever here. Okay. Then click on see. It is automatically goes to this trial balance. I will show you data. It will sit in the data. Then here ledgers. You can see this ledger CGST, FGST, customer debit, sales account credit, trial balance. Say this is the trial balance. Tax ledgers credit, customer account debit, sales account credit. Now I am going to enter one more entry for received amount from customer. Right? Double click to pick the date. Okay. It's an option. Okay, no problem. Enter any number. Here receipt. Ledger is bank account debit. These ledgers are automatically picked from this list. Okay, these are the ledgers list. If you have any ledger, you can enter here in this sheet, right? Debit 1 lakh, say 1 lakh. Credit to customer account, say 1 lakh. Being amount received from customer. Okay. Once we enter here, keep the cursor here, then click on see. Now see this data. Receipt entry is updated. Ledgers is also updated. Bank, that is bank deposit 1 lakh, and customer 1 lakh. Okay. Then go to trial balance. This is the trial balance, bank account, sales account. Customer is 5,000 because he paid 1,000 rupees. So that customer ledger showing 5,000. This is the way you can enter the data in this form and click on save. This edit and delete button will not work now. It is not required actually So these are the data. Once you pass the entry in form, this form, and save the data, this data will pick into this data sheet, and ledgers automatically post into this ledgers, bank ledger. Then this is the tax ledger from sale invoice. This is the customer sale account debit and bank account credit. This is the sale entry. This is the way you can maintain your accounts in this simple sheet. Those who are want to buy this software, I will give it away for 500 rupees. You can pay by GPay and just send WhatsApp to my number 9543198132. This number you can contact. Then I will send you the Google Sheet. This is you have to use for laptop or computer with online, because Excel, see, when you maintain in Excel file, it is difficult to get online, and once the file deleted means your entire data will go out. Once you maintain in Google Sheet, that permanently will available online at anywhere from your house laptop or office laptop or whatever. So this trial balance you can see this page also. Okay, in this page also it will available. This is the trial balance and this is the ledgers. You can see all the ledgers. So this is over. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like the video and forget to share. Don't forget to share with your friends.